fair fa your honest, sonsy face, great chieftain of the puddin' race, abound them a', you tak your place, pain, stripe or therm, weel are you worthy o' a grace, as lang's my arm. The groaning trencher there you fill, your hurdies like a distant hill, your peen what helped to mend a mill in time of need, while through your pores the dews distill like amber bead. His knife see rustic labour dicht, and cut you up wi' ready slicht, trenching your gushing entrails bricht like ony ditch, and then, oh, what a glorious sight, alarm reeking rich. Then horn for horn they stretch and strive, they'll tack the hindmost, on they drive, till all their wheels swallowed kites belive are bent like drums. An old good man, maist like to rive, be thanked, hums. Is there that o'er his French ragout, or olio that would staw a sou, or fricassee what macker spew with perfect scunner, looks down with sneering, scornfu' view on sic a dinner? Poor devil, see him o'er his trash, as feckless as a withered rash, his spindle shank a good whiplash, his neave a net. Through bloody flood or field to dash, oh how unfit. But mark the rustic haggis fed, the trembling earth resounds his tread, clapping his wally neave a bled he'll mak a whistle, and arms and legs and heads will sned, like taps a thistle. You powers will mak mankind your care, and dish them out their bill o' fare. Old Scotland wants nae skinking ware that dupes and luggies, but if you want her grateful prayer, gie her